Hi everyone, so tinan natin kung na mensahe ng Panginoon para sa ating lahat. I feel na sa Diyos ang awa na sa tao ang kawa. So we have thinking of you in easier way. You also got to your best. So speaking of, okay, so we got to the loose here. So gusto sabihin ng Panginoon guys na if ever you are having endeavors or you're working on something, do your best. Kasi kung di kayo gumawa ng best ninyo, kung tatamad-tamad kayo, hindi yung inayos, pwede mawala yung negosyo, yung career na pinapahawakan ninyo. You have the 7 in reverse. So God is telling you na ginagabayan ka niya na ayusin mo sa yung trabaho. Isipin mo na yung trabaho mo ay blessing mo. So, ito yung dapat mo rin na ipagmalaki. So, kung sakali man nade-depress ka about sa work, na hindi ka tinitingala, and so on, you know, you have to think na at least may work ka. Kasi ibang mga tao, wala silang work. And you really have to actually be appreciative of whatever you have currently. So, we have this one in reverse. Because some people are wishing kung ano man na meron ka. Okay, and we have this one in reverse. So God is telling you na currently, right now, whatever that you have is actually, you know, dun yung dapat nyo i-focus. Huwag kayo dapat malito kung ano yung dapat na work nyo and so on. So definitely, as of now, God is calling you to stay on where you're at with regards sa inyong career. So, wag kayo mag-ending ng career nyo, kaya si end ay naka-reverse. At saka gusto ng Panginoon na makontento kayo kaysa sa ganito lagi yung itsura ninyo, na hindi ka kontento sa kung ano man na meron ka. Kasi hindi dahilan kung bakit hindi ka ma-asenso because you never acknowledge your blessings. So make sure you are acknowledging whatever you have as of now. Maybe iba sa inyo madalas na hanap ng trabaho at walang permanente. So iwasan nyo yung ganitong mindset. And God wants you to appreciate of what you currently have as of this time. We also have the mask in reverse. At gusto ng Panginoon din na iwasan nyo na magpanggap. Okay, be somebody na authentic. At saka, I really feel here guys, feeling ko talaga yung depression na energy. So, what you need to do here to solve that depression is actually live in a present moment as of this time and to acknowledge your blessings and work hard. Okay, and I feel that's it guys with regards to your reading. I just hope this may give you some insight about your situation, and God bless all of you.